I thought I only had one move. But I actually had two deadlines. My apartment lease ended. But my research wasn't over. I needed a better plan. Before we start, subscribe for moving tips for international students across the US. The UC Moving Kit helped me organize everything. Packing became much easier. Premium Pickup collected everything directly from my apartment. I didn't have to move heavy boxes through Manhattan. Since I wasn't leaving immediately, I stored everything safely. Some of my friends accepted jobs in another state. UC Moving handled their relocation too. When my research finally ended, international shipping made returning home simple. Looking back, moving wasn't just about boxes. It was about making every transition easier. Whether you're graduating, doing research, relocating, or returning home, UC Moving is ready to help.